Hello there. So today we'll be looking at how the cTrader platform works. We need to understand some of the usefulness, what some aspects of the platform stand for, how we can navigate in between them. Many of us are still new to the platform as we're used to the meta traders, the 4 and 5. But today we'll be explaining to us how to navigate um, inside our cTrader platform. So to start, I'm going to log into my account. So if you don't have an account yet, or you have not downloaded the cTrader platform, you can make a reference to a video that talks about how to download, install, and then open a cTrader trading account under your life finance profile. So you can make reference to that. Then after seeing the video, you can come back to continue with this as well. So I'll proceed by signing into my account because I have one created already. So this is me signing in, and then here we're going to see if the account is connected. So now it is trying to reconnect, and then I'm in my life finance demo account already. So when you click here, we're going to see every account attached to your email, your life finance profile email. So if I'm going to have to switch from demo to live, all I need to do is to click on the second account. So you don't need to be signing in here and there. So I have the account clicked. So I have my life finance demo accounts. I can switch between demo. You can see it's just by a click. I've switched in between demo and live account like twice now. So let's switch back to demo so that we can be using that for further practice. So that is where you are going to be switching in between your accounts. Now, for symbol search, that is looking at different pairs. So, but before we go into that, there are some people that are not always comfortable with the use of dark theme. So you can as well decide to switch from this dark theme to a different color. Okay. So how do you do that? Just go straight to settings. Then under the settings, you go to the general. From the general, you can see the color theme part. Then you change it to light, and then it's going to switch to a light theme. But I'm someone that prefer the dark theme to the light theme. And you can also simply do that from here. If you don't want to go through that stress, you can simply click on this menu button that I clicked here, this three button. Then you click on this. You can see, so you can easily switch from there as well. So moving further to looking at the different watch list, you can create a watch list of the pairs that you trade alone. So these are the pairs that I trade. You can, create a new list and add. Then you can search for the symbol name. Let's say I want to trade GBP CHF. So it's going to bring it. So if I'm clicking on the star now, it means I'm adding it to my watch list. So it will be part of my watch list. Or if you want to create a new one, let's say special list. So you can still create that. So I can create a new watch list and call it special list. So it means these are for my special pairs. So the name depends on you. You can create anything. So I've added it to my special pairs now. So let me cancel. You are going to see that my watch list now, I have this one. Then for the special pairs, I have this one. Okay. So that is how you can click on those watch lists. So now on the pair, once you click on it, it's going to display the chart outlook for the pair. If it is GBP, GPY, all you need to do is click on it. Okay. So let's collapse this sidebar so that we can have a clear chart. So just like the way we can analyze on our MetaTrader platform, we can also do that here. Now, if I want to draw a trend line, I'll just come here. You can see this line. I need a trend line. Then I'll select it, right? Then I want to draw from here to here. So that is my trend line. I've simply been able to draw it. Okay. So, and if I click on it, I might want to change some things. Just left click on it. Then color, probably I want a different color. I want it to be yellow. You can select yellow. I want it to be purple. Whatever color you feel you like. I want it to be white. Okay. So, and then if you want to delete as well, you can delete it. And if it's horizontal line that I want to draw, you can just select here. The horizontal line will be drawn. You can draw the same horizontal line again. Let's say I have this here. So if you want to move it, you can, this circle part, just click on it, then you can drag it up and down. So let's draw our trend line again. We want to have our trend line here. Okay. Want to move it, you click on it, you can drag it wherever you want as well. Okay. Then if it is an arrow, probably you are trying to post your chart. You want to say, okay, this trade I believe is going to be going up. So you can left click, you change the color. Let's say I want the color to be red, or I want the color to be white. So it's just as simple as that. All right. So you can delete, you just click on it and then you delete. That is how you can pick some of those drawing tools that we have. So if you are not someone that uses cursor, probably you use this. Sometimes I prefer using this because if I'm here now, it's going to show me the current price at that point that I'm trying to click on. So, but some people are used to using the cursor, which is also very fine. So if it's a rectangle that you want to draw, you select the rectangle. Let's say I want to draw this demand zone. Can as well edit it, change the color. You can change the color probably to red, to white, to whatever you need to change it to. So I'm assuming, okay, this is my demand zone that I've drawn here. All right. So if it's up and down arrow, any shape that you need to draw, everything is there. Now, if you want to take a shot of this chart now, I'll click on this to take the shot, which means I can save this and then post it wherever I need to post it to. Okay, so that's for the snapshot. Price alert now is talking about, I want this cTrader, I want them to alert me whenever the price come back inside this zone. So when you click on it, where do you want them to alert you? Let's say I want them to give me an alert whenever it comes inside here. So then all I need to do is I'll create the alert and then I can close it. So whenever market returns back into this place, the alerts, I'm going to be alerted that, the price is inside of here. All right. So that's what that's about. And then you can delete it as well. So that is on everything that you have here. Now on time frame, we understand what time frame means. On this time frame now, this is a 5-minute time frame. It's telling us that every candlestick here, it takes 5 minutes to form. Okay. Now everything that is listed here, let's say these are the time frame that I want to be seeing. You can see those are the ones that I selected. If I want to remove one, I'm removing 5 minutes. Let's say I want to put 6 minutes. It will appear here, but I prefer this time frames. So that's why I have them here. Okay. So if I click on H4, it's going to change the time frame to the 4-hour time frame. If I click on 10 minutes, it's going to change it to the 10-minute time frame. So that is how you can interface on the chart, how you can, analyze with the cTrader chart. All right. So then moving to this part, this is where you place your trades. Okay, so if it's going to be a market order, let's say I want to buy GBP JPY now, all I need to do is to click on buy here. But what lot size do I want to use? That is where this comes in. Let's say I want to use 0.02. So let's quickly do an analysis. Let's say I want to enter from here where the price is, then my stop loss will be here and my take profit will be here, a buy trade, right? So current price is 185.481. That is where I want to enter from. So let's say the lot size I'm entering with is 0.02, like we said. So my stop loss where we marked is 184.544. So then I'll edit that and change it 184.544. So one advantage of cTrader is that if you place that your input that your stop loss price, it is going to be telling you that with this lot size, this is the percentage that you are risking. So you don't even need to use a position size calculator. That is one advantage of the cTrader. Okay, so if I change it now, let's say I want to risk 0.5% on this trade. All I need to do is to be adjusting my lot size. If I click 0.5, 0.5 is telling me that it's 0.27. I can be increasing until I get to 0.5. So it means I don't need to say I want to calculate. With this now, it is telling me that I should use 0.09 lot size. And with that, what I'm risking is just 0.5% of my account. Then take profit. What's our take profit price that we have here? 188.135. So we say 188.135. So we are set. And then the next thing is to place order. There's this trailing stop. The trailing stop is saying, oh, while the market is going in my direction, I want you to automatically be adjusting my stop loss. Probably you set it to 20 pips, 10 pips. That is, if you move 10 pips, just adjust it. 20 pips, just adjust it. Okay. So, but we're not using a trailing stop. You can also place a comment. Oh, I'm buying this GBP JPY because the market is in an uptrend. You can give your reason, and then all I need to do is what? Place my order. Then I place the order, which means I'm buying at current market price. Okay, so we're going to see that it is going to appear here. You can also adjust the stop loss on the chart. All you need to do is click on it, you move it, you can see that it's going to be alerting you that your stop loss has been modified or it has been changed. My take profit as well, you can see how much I'm going to make from this particular trade. If you hit TP, every detail will be here. That's one advantage of using the cTrader. So you can know what to risk, how much you're going to lose or gain from that particular trade. So down here, this is where we are going to be seeing our running trade. Okay, the gross here is telling you that they've added commission and everything. This is the gross, but the net means after removing the commission or probably swap fee, what you'll be left with is what we have here. That's what we call the net. Okay, you see your balance and every detail. And on this particular GBP trade now, I'm using 0.09 lots. It's a buy trade. The entry price, the take profit, the stop loss, and everything. Okay, if you want to close this, you can close. You can click on X, or probably let's say we have two trades running. If I click on close two, I might just want to close the two. Let's say it's a during news and I don't want to be affected. I just want to close everything at once. You can just click on this. Okay, you can also edit this without moving on the chart. Let's say, okay, I want to type my new stop loss. Let's say it is 3.90. I'll just click on that. Then I'll click on protect. For trailing stop, everything is there. Just same thing. But you don't need to go through this stress when in fact, when I click on next now, it means I've closed that order now. Okay. Instead of me going through the stress of clicking on setting, let's click on the buy again. You can also use limit order. Limit order is going to tell you, put your entry price, where you want to enter from, put your stop loss price and your take profit price. So let's say we are clicking on another buy, every details has been filled, our take profit is there. So you should know that if I'm clicking again, it has kept the same value that I used the other time. So you have to be careful. The lot size that I used the other time will also be there. So you have to know that you should check well before you place a new trade. All right. So instead of clicking on this setting to adjust my stop loss, I can just drag and drop it right here on the chart. Okay. So we can also switch the view to um, a white theme. So you can see that our drawings now, you have to adjust the color to suit this. Let's say we want to change it to black so that we can see it. Okay. So that is just everything you need to know about the cTrader platform. So if you want to close your trade again, you can close here instead of the way we closed the other time, clicking on the setting and then click here. It means you are closing. All right. So um, another thing is we have this part where you can actually have a multi-chart. Okay, multi-chart in the sense that you can open not just one pair on the chart. You can open like two pairs, just like what we have on the trading view and the MetaTrader platform. So you can also check upcoming news. So we have a news, you can check it on the cTrader. Everything just like you can find on the MetaTrader platform. A news calendar for the day, you see everything displayed right there. So if you want to search for your currency pair, you can also click on the space bar on your system. When you click on the space bar, it's going to bring the search button and space here, and you can search USD JPY. Then you click on it, it's going to change for you. You can see that everything is there. So this shows our running position. Now this is showing us that, okay, for this trade we are currently in profit. Let's head back to the trade. So this is the trade. Then I'll switch back to my dark theme. All right, you can see it is very easy to do. You don't need to be doing too much. Very easy to navigate. Okay, so we are currently in profit. Let's say I want to close. I'll just click on X. Then I'm going to close that particular trade. So you can see history of trades that you have taken. The history will be here when you click on it. What is it for this month or for today alone? Or you want to check for the last 3 months? You can click on anything. Okay, the price alert that was set the other time, when you click here, at the beginning it had not been deleted. You're going to see the price alert here, and you know, okay, I have an alert on this particular trade and I'm waiting for it to appear here. So let's try that again. Let's say we are waiting for an alert here. Let's create it. You can see how it appeared here. I have an alert on GBP JPY at at 185.377 price. Okay, so and you can click on X to close it as well. So that is everything you need to understand about the cTrader platform. So if it is this account is a live account, you can click on deposit. It's going to redirect you straight into your profile where you can make a deposit. Withdrawal, same thing. It's going to redirect you back to your main profile where you can make deposit and withdrawal as the case may be. So you can also practice and walk through some of the other things, but we've been able to touch the important aspects of the cTrader platform. Okay, so you can also use this instant execution button, which I don't always like, because you can mistakenly click on this while you are trying to analyze on the chart. So you can see instant buy and sell. Then you can edit your lot size, let's say 0.5, and then you can click on buy or sell. The only thing is, compared to this where you can be able to see the percentage you are risking, the amount you want to lose and everything, this will not show you that until you click on the buy or on the sell. So that is just that about how the cTrader platform works. It's a very, very good platform. So this advantage of me knowing how much I'm risking in percentage before I place a trade is one thing that I'm holding dear. That's why I like the cTrader platform. Okay, so and down there you can see the time, the trading session. You have your trading session here. It's going to be telling you, okay, you're currently in the London session. If it is the New York session, it's going to be displayed here as well. So you can see that the cTrader platform has a lot of um, advantage over some of the other platforms. So it just depends on you. So you can also do well to walk around and navigate through to understand many of the other buttons and usefulness. But those are the important ones for now. All right. Thank you.